Buckle up. Anyways, Bigfoot. Has been caught on camera. Anyways, Bigfoot has been caught on camera. Again. Anyways, Bigfoot has been caught on camera. And then I'm gonna do it again. Or is that a signal? Yeah, we had it. Why? We started as a joke tweet. What started as a joke tweet. I don't know why I did that. What started as a joke tweet has taken flight. Two off the grid truth seekers peel back the layers of the elite's new favorite gun. Anyways, today's forecast partly cloudy with a 100% chance of billionaire bullshit. Does it blur? Does it blur? Does it blur? Does that blur? Does that blur? Does that blur? Does that blur? Blur? Okay. Here's a hard truth for your soft brain. For your soft brain. That's recording? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, here's a hard truth for your soft brain. Aliens did not build the pyramids.
You glitched a little.
Did I?
They don't want you to say it.
Oh, fuck. Maybe. We don't know. Yeah, biz. This is so disrespectful. Yeah. I love it.
Shit, we need a warning sign.
Literally. Wait, yeah,
literally. So what we do actually, we literally have a warning sign.
If you couldn't read it, then you're a fucking slow reader.
Right.
This wasn't just salvation, it was just business. Man, I'm tired.
I'm actually hungry.
Me too. We're almost there though. I'm gonna do this one and then another, and then smoke, and then we'll go. And then if there's... Okay. Anyways, the Antichrist didn't wake up evil. He was woken up evil.
By society.
Oh my god. You're about to eavesdrop. It's the same shit. Come on. You're about to eavesdrop on two dudes uncovering a conspiracy that... They don't want me to say this shit.
I'm telling you, these tricky ones are not conspiracies.
The truth will be heard!
Holy shit.
You're about
I might include that.
You're about to eavesdrop on two dudes uncovering the conspiracy that nobody asked for. Coming up. Coming up. Coming up. Coming up. Okay. Coming up, two dudes. Fuck you. Coming up is two dudes. Mi corazón. Last one. Don't panic. Anyways, is this reality real? That's not the thing. Real, or are we living in a digital daydream? Or are we living in a digital daydream crafted by interdimensional IT support? Who am I talking to, you know?
Yeah.
Who cares? You're eavesdropping on two dudes. Every time.
Without fail.
You're eavesdropping on two dudes trying to debug. Trying to debut. Trying to debug existence
It's
itself.
This is our debut.
You're eavesdropping on two dudes trying to debug existence itself.